take all the
Yep, this is what it is. And you probably, if you were watching close, spotted it in the opening video. This is the Hornet GLH from Direct Connection and my new best little friend. This thing is a blast. Straight from Direct Connection with an increased performance stage kit, lowering kit, and dual exhaust. And of course, for those of you in the know, the GLH badging. This badge last appeared on a production car in 1990, and it came to stand for more than goes like hell. It came to stand for little fish eating big ones for lunch at stoplights across America. And this car has earned the right to wear that badge. The final numbers, not yet approved, but I will commit to you, and you're all going to hold it to me, the power to weight ratio of this is better than the original GLH. And you can do the math. It's twice the size, twice the weight. This Hornet's going to deliver more torque than 2 of the original Shelby modified GLHs. Now, look, we took a kick-ass architecture with Italian genetics, by the way, and we tweaked it with Dodge-specific programming for the powertrain, the suspension, the steering. Then we added PowerShot. Then we added GLH. Then we armed it with access to the Direct Connection catalog. Then, and only then, we made it look like a proper Dodge.